Today I will talk about the Pascal's triangle and explain how it works. So this is an explanation for my first video. This is a setting. So this is all information from my previous video. Now, the reason why Pascal's triangle works is, well, first look at the top. There's one way to solve the top, and that way is just do nothing. Then it is passed down to two numbers, A and B. There is only one possibility for how to get one of those numbers because, well, there's only one connector. Now think about how Pascal's triangle works. So A and B add up to make 2, and A and 0 add up to make 1, B and 0 add up to make 1. The top numbers add up to create the bottom numbers. Therefore, when the two products of the top, which are A and B, come together, it is taking the number of ways to get to point A and adding it on to the number of ways to get to point B. This means that if you want to get to row 4, second from the right, which is a number 3, you will need to add up the number of ways to get to the two numbers above it and the number of ways to get to the numbers above those until you get to the top. So 3 is made up of 1 and 2. 1 is made out of 1 and 0. 2 is made out of 1 and 1. 1 is made up of 1 and 0. And yeah. So this will give you the number 3. You can think of this with the two connectors, the black lollipop and the red arrow. So everything in the triangle is made of one black lollipop and one red arrow. For example, row 4, second from the right, that's made up of a red arrow from 1 and a black arrow from 2. So reason why the top rows and the left and rightmost diagonal lines don't seem to have black or red connectors is because the triangle is because the triangle is actually a single one in infinite zeros, creating the entire triangle. This is also why the left and rightmost are only ever ones. There's no other way than to add 1 to 0 again and again.